Hello guys, today we are gonna make hotteok, the Korean style sweet pancake. Do you guys remember Claire and I went to the Korean cuisine buffet? We tried bunch of Korean foods. Among those bunch of Korean foods, Claire liked the hotteok the most. So today we're gonna make hotteok. Honestly, making hotteok is kind of baking stuff, so quite complicated, but there's easy way to make the hotteok. That is this one. There is product that you can make easier. This is called hotteok mix. You can buy this Amazon.com. So I'll give you the URL in my description box, so you can check it out. Okay, let's get started. Before we start, set the water temperature at the 40 to 45 Celsius degrees. Are you thinking, what? That's what I thought first too. But don't worry about it, the direction says how to do it. 120 milliliter of cold water plus 60 milliliter of hot water. Will be 40 to 45 degrees. Interesting, right? If you're done, let's make a paste. Put the yeast first. Now add this hotteok mix powder. My hotteok mix is green tea flavor, so it's quite green. Now gently knead with spatula for about 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's done. Pour this jam mix into a bowl. This jam mix is a mixture of brown sugar and cinnamon. Apply cooking oil to your hand and take the dough off and spread it your palm. Put some this jam mix, probably 1 spoon would be alright. Oh, it's too much. And make shape. Now let's pan fry it. Put some dough on a pan, but place inside down. If the bottom is golden brown, turn it over and press it. Turn it over again after 1 or 2 minutes and fry it for another 1 or 2 minutes. The direction says it's better to use all the batter in one day. So make it all and reheat them in a microwave for 30 seconds when you eat. Now put some ice cream on it. I don't have scoop, so it's very hard to make round shape. It's like a flour, isn't it? It's done! If you have chocolate syrup or something, then put it on. It's amazing. I really like the sweet and cinnamon flavor from the jam mix. My favorite part of this hot dog is the contrast. Hot hot dog and cold ice cream. Let me have one more bite. This is for Claire's. Very cold, very hot. Alright, today I showed you how to make hot dog, the Korean dessert. Why don't you get this hot dog mix and make it for your family or friends? They're gonna love you. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!